When I say Agune Chemba Batago, I mean the lion that is guarding the territory has come. You know, when the lion of the tribe of Judah himself comes to your home, who is that devil? Who is that devil? Hey! Do you know? They will now say, it means the power of the devil has fallen. The devil cannot touch you. Listen, let no man trouble me. Say this with me. Let no man trouble